everybody, and welcome to History. I hope you guys have had a wonderful day so far, and I'm excited to go ahead and get started today. I have to find my example of what I drew out for you guys today. So we've been talking about the word community. Do you remember what community means? Alright, so community is what surrounds us. It's the people and the places that we visit and that we see often. So we're going to start at the very beginning of our community, and we're going to talk about where we live in the smallest sense, which is our house. So your house is part of your community. It's where you and your family live, and it is the basis or the starting block of your bigger picture community. So we're going to start really small, and we're going to work our way out really big to go through our whole community. And that's going to take us a little while, but we're going to start small with our house. So we talked about also how when we draw a map, what's that thing we use at the bottom? Do you remember? A compass rose. Very good. So a compass rose shows us the direction which things go. So when we draw a map, it's important to have that. So we are going to use that today. Today, I want you to be able to think about your house and how that's a part of your community. Tomorrow on your lesson is going to tell you to draw your house. You can do that today or tomorrow, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the example of what I have in mind for you to do. So we're going to start with a very small piece of paper. It's a little bigger than my hand, but not much bigger. So we're going to start with a really small piece of paper to start us off. And as we go through our lessons of community, our papers are going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And that's going to show how our community gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So the smallest part of our community is our house. So I have drawn a picture of my house. Now, I didn't finish it up very well. This is not exactly what my house looks like, but you know, it's close. There's actually another window over here on this side that I forgot about. Also, there's a porch, and I couldn't really figure out how to draw a porch. So your drawings don't have to be perfect. Mine definitely is not, but that's okay. Here's our sidewalk. There would be steps that go down here and a porch, and we have 2 rocking chairs on our porch. And we also have an American flag flying out front. So I could have added more detail to my house, but this is what I got so far. So this is my house. So I've drawn a picture of my house, and this is a part of my community. It is where my family lives. So I live here with my husband, Dalton, and with our son, Maze, and then soon we'll have another little baby in there. And we don't have a name for him yet, so we've got to figure that out. If you have any good boy names, send them my way. So, so this is where we live. This is part of our community. And then I drew a map of my house, and you can do it on the back of your page. My page was really, really thin. You could see through it. See, there's my house, and you could see through the back. So I decided to do it on another piece of paper that was the same size. But I have it on another piece of paper so that you couldn't see through the back. But you can do whatever you prefer. So this is a map of my house. See how I have a compass rose down here? And it tells me the direction of things. I have a back door here and a front door. This right here is our deck. It's bigger than that, but that's what I got. We also have another building at our house. That is like a big garage type building, and then we have a garage here, and we have our kitchen and our living room and Maze's room, and let's see, what else do we have here? We have 2 closets here and another room that's going to be the baby's room, and a bathroom, and oh, that's going to be the baby's room. Sorry. I'm looking at this backwards through the camera. It's kind of hard to see. This is my room, and there's a bathroom here. And then out of our front door, there's a big front yard. And then we have a backyard, and we also have a basketball goal right about here that I didn't add. I should have. So I want you to see if you can also, once you finish drawing your house, you can draw a map of your house. If you have an upstairs, you could draw another box to show your upstairs, or even a basement. And so there's a lot of things you can do, and you can add all of the rooms of people in your family and things like that. So that's a fun little activity to do, and don't forget to add your compass rose. Now this is the start of our community. It is our house. It's the smallest part of our community. That's why we're using the smallest piece of paper. When we go on, we're going to go on to the bigger parts of our community, like the street that we live on, or the neighborhood we live in, our city, our state, our country, and we'll move on from there. So I hope you guys enjoy that activity and have fun doing it. Get as creative as you want. You can color it in. I have a brick house, so I could even color in bricks. And you can just make it your very own. Make it look just like your house if you want to. Instead of writing words where the rooms are, you could draw the furniture that's in the rooms. Whatever you want to do to make it creative and make it your own. So I hope you guys have so much fun doing that. Remember, you can do it today or tomorrow, or you can do some of it today and some of it tomorrow, whatever you choose to do. I hope you guys have fun. Goodbye.